Hi there, welcome to the Ukestuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of Before I Knew It as recorded by Mason Ramsey, who is known as the Walmart yodeling kid from a few years ago. This song is re-blowing up on TikTok in 2022 and I thought I would make a play-along of it. Now what we're going to do in this video is, first of all, we're going to look at the chords needed for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Then we'll take a look at the chords needed for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk a little bit about strumming. Now, if you like the chords that you see here, you can find the chord chart or tabs at ukestuff.info. Ukestuff is a collaborator with this channel. And if you want to support this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can always subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a coffee to say, hey, thanks for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. All right, let's begin with the chords needed for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Cocobolo concert ukulele, made in Nicaragua. All right, the first chord you're going to need is the D chord. Now, I always play the D chord with my first finger at the top of the third string second fret and my other two fingers around it like a tiny G7. You can play it however you want. You can put all three fingers in a row. You can play it with 2, 3, 4. You can play it with one finger. You can play it with two fingers. The only thing we ask is that you don't play it with your thumb because then it's hard to make changes later. The second chord is the E minor chord. It's with three strings, strings 1, 2, and 3. Yes, you can play E minor with 4 fingers, but there's no need to here. And I always put my first finger at the, and plant that on the first string second fret and let the other two fingers just waterfall down. Then the A chord, and then the G chord. And those are the chords you need to play Before I Knew It by Mason Ramsey on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's take a look at the chords on baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, for baritone, I'll be using this instrument. This is my mainland baritone. It has a cedar top and rosewood back and sides. All right, the first chord is going to be the D chord, then the E minor chord, then the A chord, and then the G chord. And those are the 4 chords you need to play Before I Knew It on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now, as we talk about strumming, first of all, be aware that there is no one right answer. Mason Ramsey didn't use ukulele in the original recording, so really, as long as what you play is the right chords, changing at the right time, and the style fits the song, that's right. Now, for people that can't find something that they like, that's why I record these videos. That's where they actually came from for the idea, because people always ask, what's the strumming pattern? So I'll give you a couple ideas here. I think the most standard one that I find myself doing is the island strum. It works really well here. So if I'm playing, I'm going down, down, up, down, up. Then to the next chord, next chord, next chord, next chord. So what am I doing there? Again, I'm going down, down, up, down, up. And that's called the island strum. And really, I would practice that away from the ukulele. So I would actually just be saying down, down, up, down, up, and making sure that my hand never stops moving. And then when I am playing, I'd make sure that I'm strumming at the right part of the ukulele, which is here. A lot of people want to strum over the sound hole. That goes back to guitar, which is much larger, but this is not a guitar. This is an ukulele, and the best sound is going to come from right here in the middle of the strings, generally where the neck meets the body. So let's try that at tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up. Change. 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 Back to D. That'd be strumming idea number 1. Now, you could also just do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Very, very basic. I don't think it fits as well, but it fits, and you can try that. Just down, up, all the time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what if you want to do like a combination of those? You just wanted to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Could you do that? Absolutely, as long as it fits along with the song. So, with those chords and those strumming ideas, that's really all you need to do to be successful on Before I Knew It, as recorded by Mason Ramsey, I think back in 2019, in the key of D, which is, by the way, the original key. All right, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.